Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
We are fine.
So this is Sterling what? Sterling IncrEdibles. Wow. So what are you cooking today? But before that, what's the name of your group?
The Master Chef.
The Master Chef. Oh, okay. So Master Chef, what are you preparing today? Palava sauce with boiled plantain and yam. Oh, okay. So can you tell me the ingredients that you are using?
We have plantain.
Okay.
Yam. Macaroni.
Okay.
Tomato paste.
Okay.
Tomato.
Okay. Okay.
Eggs. Salt. Rice.
Okay. Okay.
Kotoge.
Kotoge. Oh, okay. I thought you guys are going to use kotoge. Alright, that's nice. So can you mention your names, the chef, master chef, your group members, can you mention your name? So what's your name starting from you? Emmanuel. Opon. Okay. Come again. Alright. Okay. So Master Chef, I'll come around again. Oh, I can see some chickens. Alright. So what group is this? Star Chefs. Okay. So what are you preparing? With rice. Okay, so can you tell me the ingredients that you are using? Uh-huh. 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 Okay. 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 Alright, so what are you doing now? Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So can you tell me the name of your members, the group members? I want to, yes. Alright, so yes. Okay then, yes. Okay. Agnes. Hey, Aaron. Hey. Come here. Wow. Aaron, okay. Alright then, so I'm going to take, I'll come back again, you know, I have to taste your food. Okay. Then after that, I'll choose the best chef. So we have the star chef and what? Master chef. Alright.